Hi everyone, it's Mel. I have another card to share with you. This card I've made for a teenage lad who's going to be 19, so always difficult to think of something for men and teenage boys, but in any case this is what I've come up with. So my card base is craft cardstock scored in half, then I've taken a piece of black cardstock, distressed it around the edges using my distress tool, and then for my main designer paper it's by Magnolia, which are the people that make the Tilda and Edwin stamps, and I've had this sheet a long time, and so what I did was actually rip the edges of it and then just went round with vintage photo distress ink. And then down the side here we've got a piece of film strip by Holtz, and I fastened it using a couple of faux brads and then a couple of staples that I've crisscrossed. My main image is this typewriter die, which my lovely friend Lynn, who is Scrappity Doodah here on YouTube, we met last week for a bit of shopping and some lunch, and she gave me an envelope full of die cuts, so this is one she gave me. And then for underneath the keys I've taken a piece of white cardstock, put some aluminium tape over the top of it, and then I've used some of my alcohol inks. So I used mushroom, rust and pitch black, and then I heat set that with my heat gun, and then I made my sentiments. So I just typed up "Happy Birthday Jamie" on my computer on some just normal copy paper, and then I curled it and then just ran some vintage photo distress ink over the top of that. Up here we've got one of the Holtz philosophy tags. This one says "Inspire", and it's being held by another Brad, and this one's got like a little hook, so I've used one of Tim's little rings to attach the philosophy tag to the Brad. And then I've tried my hand at stenciling using texture paste, apart from mine is all-purpose filler. Same thing, I think. It's fine, it's dried and it won't come off, and I'm quite happy with it, and far cheaper than the proper texture paste. So I used one of my stencils, and then once it dried I just rubbed over some distress ink over the top, and there it is, my birthday card for a teenage boy. I hope you like it. Please leave me a comment, and thank you for watching.